In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a notification pop-up to your Weebly website in just a few minutes. This is a great way to share updates, promote offers, or welcome visitors the moment they land on your site. To get started, open your browser and head to the official Weebly website. Sign in using your account details, and once you're inside the dashboard, look for the Communications tab. This is where all visitor interaction tools are managed. Click on Communications, then select Pop-ups. Here you'll find a collection of ready-made templates. Browse through them and choose the style that best matches the purpose of your notification. Once you pick your template, click Create and move into the customization area. Now, personalize your pickup. Add your announcement text, adjust the layout, and tweak the design so it fits your brand. This is where you can highlight a promotion, share an important update, or simply greet new visitors. When everything looks perfect, click Publish. Keep in mind that publishing a pop-up republishes your entire site. So make sure recent edits in your editor are ready to go live. And that's it. You've just added a fully functional notification pop-up to your Weebly website, helping you grab attention and keep visitors informed instantly.